I've got a slightly thinner oil filter on mine, air filter, because this is obviously off a Mark II, an earlier model, because I hate the, I think it was Mark II, or it might even be Mark I. Anyway, they've got those big plastic, huge, massive air filters, which I hate. So I fitted this earlier style, but in order to get it to fit, I had to cut it down to make it a bit thinner. So I've got a new filter, but I'll have to cut the filter down to make that thinner to go in the housing. Okay, yeah, got the air filter out, came out dead easy. Just undo the 2 bolts at the side, and out came the gauze with the filter inside it. That's the plate that faces the carbs. Now on mine, as I said, mine's a cut down version, so I need to cut the filter down. What I've actually got is already got a cut down filter fitted. I think I got this from RGM Norton. I think it was RGM, because they actually make a filter that's already cut down specifically for this. And I think this is that's what I fitted last time, to replace my original cut down one. But I've got an original one, so I'm going to cut that down again this time to go in. So I just need to cut that down, swap them over. And there we go. I just got a slice out the middle of the filter and back in, and we're all okay. Much easier than I remember, so all done. These rubbers go on easily back on the carbs, and so no problem at all. So very pleased.